What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your update on Litecoin. We're covering it again. I have some interesting things I think to talk about regarding Litecoin right now. Obviously the halving is over, and we're still feeling its effects a little bit, but it's also not that much. Volume went up significantly, but it's around 400 million right now. If you compare that with the volume of last week, that's significantly lower, like that's 50% lower. So volatility has also dropped down. All true, but I still think there are a lot of opportunities for Litecoin. And personally, I think Litecoin is one of the best cryptos you can actually trade at this point of time. So that's why I wanted to cover it again. And I know a lot of you also are interested in that and are also still looking at and trading Litecoin. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, including on Litecoin. I actually shared a signal on Litecoin yesterday. So if you're interested in that, and if you also want access to our exclusive chat room full of traders and my trading guide, which I put a lot of hard work in, then consider joining via the links down in the description, or you can go to cilinix.com, go to the premium tab right here, and you can find out a little bit more information. But now onto Litecoin. All right, so overall, I think the market structure, especially since the halving, has turned bearish. I don't think that's that much of a hot take to say, but I do think so. So right now, I think we're in the middle of some sort of a fourth wave right here, right? So that we're actually that we actually had that big third wave down towards that $80 level, which I basically say that this whole area is that $80 level. And that right now we can actually expect some bullish momentum still. Like right now, Bitcoin is also, Bitcoin had a bit of a bullish breakout above 29,150. Not that big of a bullish breakout, but it means something. And the correlation between Litecoin and Bitcoin historically is quite high. So what I expect for Litecoin is that we'll actually get up towards these levels right here, around 84.3 and $85. Now, this is the first area where I actually am thinking of shorting, all right? Because here we actually have the 302 Fibonacci level, which is historically very, very strong. And we have the 50 EMA, right? And you could even put your stop loss that high that you could have it above like the 618 Fib, which would be great. Then you have a lot of runway or a lot of breathing room. So that's a possible one. I've a price alert set up for that area for if we actually get there, because I'm not sure if we get there. I think so, but who knows? So yeah, I do think right now we can get up there, but overall the market structure remains bearish. Like the only way in which the market structure could change now is if we break above $87, which I don't see as a possibility at this point of time. It's a possibility, but I think it's that unlikely that I don't think we need to talk about it. I think it's more likely to get that fourth wave up to our major resistance level around $85, and that then will drop down towards our next major support level around 77.5. I doubt that it's going to be a big crash or anything, but I do think that the trend, like I said, the trend will be down. The market structure will be bearish, so I do anticipate a move down. And then this is an area where I am considering buying from. 77.5 historically hasn't even been that strong. Like the whole area between 76.5 and $78 is relatively strong. You can see that there's a level right here. So that is true, but there is a major trend line, and I think we can at least get some support from there. So that's overall what I expect. Like I said, if you want my detailed trades on what I'm doing with Litecoin, then consider joining the premium group. But for now, I gave you at least two indications of possible trades. Not sure if I'm going to take both yet, but yeah, pretty interesting market structure right now. A lot of opportunities. I will keep covering Litecoin, so if you're interested in that, consider subscribing if you haven't already. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.